Hello everyone, this is Melanie from MELANIE'S Creative Studio, and today I have something that is super cool and it's new, and you know how I like to bring you different stuff. So Fgnormal reached out to me, and you guys may know that I have been collaborating with them for about 1.5 years now, and every time they have something new and different, I'm like, yeah, send it on, because there's just something always, I don't know, innovative coming out. And at first I might look at it and go, well, that's different, you know, and this is one of those things that I saw and I thought, well, that's cool. And I wanted to bring this to you guys. It is a diamond painting, but this one's different than anything you've seen. So this is more of a home decor item. Now, you know that I brought you the antique clock before, and diamond painting is kind of expanding its horizons, and it's going on tissue boxes and eyeglass cases. So this was super cool, and I'm going to put a picture right here of this particular design. This is called special shaped tassel decor. So let me go ahead and just insert an image here. Now you see why I think this is so cool. Now they had a lot of different designs, and this one of course spoke to me because it's the pinks and the oranges and the yellows and the blah blah blah, and, you know, just really pretty. They had so many beautiful different options, but I love the fact that it had the tassel. I thought this would look really cool hanging in like a window or something, just hanging on the wall. Of course I had to get it. So let's open it up and let's see what comes in the kit, and we're gonna figure out how this works together. Because you know how I do. I wing it. I don't take a look ahead of time and go, oh, let me figure this out so I can explain it in a video. No, 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 no. There's none of that preparation. We're going to wing it. Because if you didn't have me, this is what you would do if you got a kit. You'd be like, oh, I'm going to open this up and figure it out, right? Well, that's what we're going to do. Decoration, that's how you're going to do the diamond painting to begin with. That's what you have me for, is to explain how to do the diamond painting. I'm like, Vanna. Okay, here we go. That's what Melanie's for. And then here's how you're going to install this into the little frame that comes with it. So, well, let's look at that. Let's get some light on this action. And now, of course, the lights, they don't play well with this clear plastic. But let's see what we have. We're going to have our diamond painting canvas. And we're going to have the drills that we need in the special shapes that are going to be for making this beautiful. We're also going to have the tassel that's going to be assembled onto this frame. We're going to have the tools that we need to put together this project, okay? Then it looks like here we're going to have the top layer of what I call the hoop. We're just going to call it a hoop because that's Melanie new cross stitch. Then we're going to have a piece of plexiglass. It's not an actual piece of glass, but it is a plexiglass, and it does have protective layers on it to keep this from getting scratched, which is amazing. That way we don't have to worry about that. And then it looks like we've got our nice thick wooden type of backboard. So it looks like this is going to be how this is assembled. Now, you know me, assuming, but I'm going to use logic and the instructions on the back of the box if necessary. If all else fails, read the directions, right? Isn't that the old rule? So it looks like, okay, when we're done with our project, we're going to cut around the dotted line. See the little scissors? Yeah, that's what's telling us. Cut along this line. We're going to lay it on this backboard like this, okay? Then we're going to peel off the protective layers of our plexiglass and place it down like this. And then we will take this and place it on the top. Now, I'm seeing a hole here and a hole here. Now let me see if there's already a hole in the frame. It doesn't look like there is, so it doesn't look like we have to line anything up. But that's going to go over the top, and then in our little Ziploc bag with our tassel, there's going to be 2 eye hooks One is going to get screwed into the bottom, and that is where the tassel is going to hang from. And in the top, there's going to be another one, and that is what you're going to hang your piece from. Okay? And that is it. Now, how cool is this project? I want to finish this piece. Now, you guys know that I actually completed 2 special shaped, I can't even say that, y'all. What is it? Susie picked seashells by the seashore. 2 special shaped, I can't say it, special shaped diamond painting. Oh my God. In like 16 hours, I finished 2 of them. So this is a very manageable project to do within about probably 5 or 6 hours. It's very small. It's a manageable project. How cute would this be? It is not super small like I thought it was gonna be. And let me see what size this is when it's completed. It is a 9.5 inch by 9.5 inch. So how freaking cute is this? All right, so yeah, and I love it. I love it. I love these colors, brightness, joyful, and I don't know, yummy deliciousness. I mean, why can't a diamond painting be yummy deliciousness too? Right? Okay, so I'm gonna move the frame and everything aside. Let's just take a look at the drills real quick. I'll be done with this video and this little project. Well, not with the project, but you know what I mean. Oh my goodness. So these are like the little pearly aurora borealis, sparkly lime greeny ones, gold. Oh, look at those. Talk about aurora borealis. Hot pinky ones or whatever. Oh, big old heart, hot pink hearts. I don't know where those go, but those are pretty. Oh, you only get 2 of those. Those shouldn't be hard to find. Yeah, look at those. Okay. Little tiny gold ones. Some blue aurora borealis, pink, light, whoops. I got a little carried away there, y'all. Light pink, a little brighter pink, and all of them have aurora borealis sparkles. And then these are more gems. Yeah, these are gonna be beautiful and a very quick project. So, I love it. Okay, you guys, so what do you think of this special shaped diamond painting tassel kit? I think it's freaking cute and amazing, and I'm excited to see what they come out with next. So you guys drop a comment below. Tell me if you think you would like something like this. Like I said, they have tons of other designs, lots of other color options. So go check them out at fgnormal.com. And you guys, thanks as always for being here with me, and I will see you back soon.